In primetime news this evening, returning home, Miss World Tony Ann Singh arrives for 3-day visit. Hasten the repairs. Opposition calls for emergency measures to be used to fast-track Cornwall regional renovation. And giving information or not.
Do you know what Jamaicans are ranked in the top 5 informants in the world?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. And it's Friday, so also this evening we have the financial week. Milton Walker is here to give us a preview. Milton?
Yes, Herman, no change. The Bank of Jamaica decides to hold its interest rate at the current level. We'll tell you in the financial week.
All right, thanks, Milton. From Milton, we go to Jordan, who will give us a preview of what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, if you've been following the saga between the JFF and former Reggae Girls head coach Hugh Menzies, you'll know that some scathing accusations have been made. Well, JFF President Mike Ricketts came out swinging in response to some of those claims. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
Okay, thanks, Jordan. And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. And before we go for a break or feedback question, this evening we're asking, what has been your experience using one of the mobile phone companies recently? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.